What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Vintage Appeal. I'm on my way now to my buddy Kevin's house, who recently picked up a BMW E30 318 IS to be exact, and I'm super happy for him. He's a fellow car enthusiast who's been out the car game for a while, and for all you car nuts out there, understand that when you don't have anything to wrench on, it's tough. And he also picked up a pretty neat looking Momo Prototipo, the 2009 version, and we're going to be installing that in his newly acquired 318 IS. So yeah, tag along for the ride. Did a quick pit stop at 7-Eleven to get a breakfast champion, Red Bull. But unfortunately on the E30s, there's no cup holder, so I'm gonna have to wait until I get to Kevin's house to drink it. Suck. And we are here. Look at that sexy thing. So yeah, we're here. Waiting for Kevin to come out. In the meantime, breakfast of champs. Guys, about to do a quick install on this beauty right here, a Momo Prototipo, the 2009 version. We have everything you need here. You got the mobile hub, you got, this is a T30 torque screw, you got a 22mm socket, a 13 wrench for the battery. So this is for the battery, this is to take out the bolt from the steering wheel, and this is to actually take out the steering wheel itself, the OEM. And this is very important right here. If you have an E30 with airbags, you need this. This will replace the original spacer or washer that the original steering wheel has. So this is very important. If you don't have this and you install it without this, the steering wheel is going to have a lot of play and it's dangerous. So definitely have this. I'll have this part number in the description below, and I'll have the part number for the Momo hub also if you have an E30. So this is this clean E30. It's a 91, right? Yeah. It's a 91 318 IS. What are your future plans for it?
Well, as of now, just restoring it, make it a weekend car. Little by little, you know, start working on it.
You want to race it?
Eventually, start doing circuit and stuff.
Cool, cool. Circuit. I want to do circuit on mine, but I don't know. Let's see what happens. Super clean. HE Snipers, can't go wrong with that. And that's his winter setup. Can imagine what the summer's gonna bring. Interiors, very clean. Very, very clean. And of course you can't go wrong with a pole position Recaro with the ASM Takata harnesses. Pretty sure you got the harness bar, right?
Inside.
Yeah, you got the harness bar in here. That should be a pretty cool install video too for the future. And yeah, so let's get started. let's do the steering wheel switcheroo. Before you start, make sure you disconnect the battery. You don't want the airbag blowing in your face. That would really suck. That would be a bad day. And then you have 2 torque screws. One right here. It's gonna be hard to see, but hopefully you're right there. And one on the opposite side. So he's gonna loosen that up. Alright, so once you take that out, you see you have the harness. You unplug that. And then very important, in the bottom,
you got a little cover.
You got a little cover. You take the cover out and then you unplug just the harness for the airbags. If you have that connected and you pull the steering wheel, you won't be able to get the steering wheel out, basically. So that's a very important step. And then you take the bolt out. So once you have the bolt loosened up, ready to come out, you need to actually have the key in the ignition, or else the steering wheel will not come out. So there you go, pops out. Good. So now you get your Momo hub, or any hub that you have. Line it up with the holes properly.
You got the
spacer, which is crucial. Put it in there and put the bolt. Tighten it up. So in this step, you get the steering wheel, line it up properly, putting all the Allen screws in. It's gonna be tightening that up, and then playing around with the horn, and then he's pretty much set. It's really a simple install. Anybody could do it.
No.
Anybody could do it as long as you have like the tools. So in this step, you get the OEM horn wire connected to the ground, and then once this metal piece hits this and you press the button, the horn should work. That's the theory of it.
Should work.
So let's see.
Connect the battery and stuff. So.
Obviously it's not going to work now because the battery is disconnected. So we shall see. The horn should work. 1. There we go. And it works awesome.
It came out good.
Look at that.
Look at that.
It's a perfect classic wheel for a classic car. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this short do-it-yourself video. If you have any questions, comment below. And yeah, and thanks to Kevin. Thanks to Kevin for letting us use his beautiful E30 for the do-it-yourself.